The innocent can never last. Wake me up when September ends. Like my father's come to pass, 7 years has gone so fast. Wake me up when September ends. Here comes the rain again, falling from the stars, drenched in my pain again, becoming who we are. As my memory rests, but never forgets what I lost. Wake me up when September ends. Summer has come and passed. The innocent can never last. Wake me up when September ends. Like my father's come to pass, 20 years has gone so fast. Wake me up when September ends. Wake me up when September ends. Wake me up when September ends.
We are dealing with one of the worst natural disasters in our nation's history.
I hope you're doing fine out there without me.
This recovery will take a long time.
'Cause I'm not doing so good without you.
Katrina is proving to be a deadly storm.
Things I thought you'd never know about me were the things I guess you always understood.
I don't think think anybody's ever seen anything like this. It's just unbelievable.
How could I have been so blind for all these years? Guess I only see the truth through all this fear. Living without you and everything I have in this world and all that I'll ever be, it could all fall down around me, just as long as I have you right here by me.
How are you doing, sir?
I'm not doing good.
What happened?
The had just split in half. Water came and had just opened up, divided.
Who was at your house with you?
My wife
Where is she now?
can't find her body. She gone.
You can't find your wife?
Oh, she told me that bird. She told me I tried. I hold her hand tight like I could, and she told me, "You can't hold me." She said, "Take care of the kids and the grandkids."
Where are you guys going?
We ain't got nowhere to go, nowhere I'm going. I'm lost. That's all I had. That's all I had. Everything I've ever known gets swept away. Side of your love. Everything I have in this world and all that I'll ever be, it could all fall down around me, just as long as I have you right here by me.
90% of the structures are just totally destroyed. I mean, like they'd been a nuclear weapon set off.
Yeah.